Hi, welcome back guys. In this video, we are going to learn how you can optimize your Samsung device. So, uh, by optimizing your device, you can do a checkup of your phone. How is your phone working or not? And it would make your phone run more smoother. And you can check the video description. I'll try to leave the instructions there. So, let's jump right into the video. So, for that, you need to go to your settings. Then in settings, what you need to do is you need to just come here at battery and device care. So it would check what is problem with you. Then you can just click on fix now. Just click on fix now. It would say sleep one app crash is detected. Just say done. Then it would check. So you just need to click fix now. And you just need to click here at sleep optimized. My phone is 100% optimized and it's now all good. So this is how you can optimize your device, your Samsung device, and this is the easiest method that I know. If you guys know a better method, then you can comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.